Let me put my favorite cup here so everybody can see how extravagant it is. Okay. I know it looks weird, but I just like the idea of my iPhone being my microphone at the same time. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of A City Girl Living in Barcelona. If you're new to this channel, I'm trying to capture moments of my daily life here as an expat living in Barcelona. So welcome back if you've been here before. And today we have a pretty busy day. I need to do the embroidery on my cap, manicure, because I cannot literally look at my nails right now. I found a really cool recipe. I want to cook like the tofu brownie, like healthy style dessert. And I also need to do the packing on haul because an amazing brand has sent me some things to try. So stay tuned for the looks that we can all wear in the fall. But a little update here. I don't know if you've been following me on Instagram or other socials. So I was supposed to be on an influencer trip to Bahamas.
Because of visa expiring earlier than it was supposed to. But my boyfriend's friends, they have already purchased tickets to Barcelona to stay in our apartment to sit with our cat while we're supposed to be in the US.
So we had to leave our own apartment. And so the last week, we literally just came back 2 days ago. We went to the north of Spain. So we went to Bilbao, San Sebastian, and the most beautiful part was the Zumaya to Deba route. It took us like 6.5 hours to walk. It's like a hiking, and it's just literally a tiny part of the whole pilgrimage you can take. Like, it's called the St. James Way, or in Spanish they call it Camino de Santiago. People who are religious or that are spiritual, they have this very, very long walk up and down through the hills, through different cities in the northern Spain. Actually, there are different routes you can take within Europe, but this is like one of the most popular. So we had just one day that we could dedicate it for this pilgrimage of just 6.5 hours. So that was an experience. But the views, oh my God, guys. Anyone who comes to Spain, I'll be like, guys, why would you visit Marbella or even, for that sake, Barcelona? Because the northern part of Spain is so different and is so beautiful. I cannot explain. You better just go with it and see it yourself. Okay, yeah, so I feel like we should better start the day going. And, I'm super excited for today, even though I feel like I haven't slept enough. And honestly, the past 6 months, they were really rough on my mental health. But what can I say? We just need to move. We just need to keep going and everything will be perfect. If not perfect, everything will be good, at least good. And before we go, don't forget to put thumbs up to this video and subscribe to the channel because your support really means a lot to me. It keeps me going. And I want to share more about, Barcelona. And actually, if you haven't seen the video where I compare pros and cons of living in Barcelona, definitely watch that video. I try to cover as many fields as possible, so I am super proud of that video. And let's go! We are heading to my favorite salon. Привет! Okay guys, now I look like someone with beautiful nails finally, thanks to this beautiful lady. So basically I want to do an embroidery here, and and it's gonna be a fun one. I cannot wait to see the final results, so let's give it to the shop and see what they will do about it. So you said it's gonna be 5 days, so it's like next.
Yes, maybe
Friday?
for Wednesday, Thursday is ready.
Oh, okay, Thursday is perfect. Okay, we made it.
Every night I try to love, but your heart is made of stone. All my tears, they fall in rain, but you leave me alone. I give you all I have inside. You pretend it's all pretend. Your empty eyes, they break me down. Will this torment never end? Endless pain, it's all I know.
And you know, whilst I'm cooking in here, I'm actually watching it on the big screen, not to miss a step, so I'm looking forward to the final result. I really hope that it will turn out as great as it's in her video. It's not as glamorous as it's in her video, but I did not expect anything different.
Lies when I'm asleep. Lonely as a sinner, weep. Love me now or let me leave. Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart will lose. Change your ways or set me loose. Pain, it's all I know.
Okay, this actually doesn't look that bad. Probably I'll add our tofu thing here and mix it. So this is behind the scenes. For example, this one I use as a tripod, and this is not sure what's going on at the moment, but it's the real raw process of creating something beautiful and hopefully delicious. Nice! Oh, too hot. Smells awesome. Не, он сырой.
Сырой?
No, but rated 10 out of 10, 5 out of 10.
Let's not do any ratings, okay?
But it's not that bad. You don't like tofu,
I don't like tofu.
and you don't like dark chocolate.
And I don't like that chocolate.
So
right?
it's everything that you don't like.
Exactly.
Basically. Okay. So I won't take it personally.
No.
I don't know, I like this baby. He smells delicious, and I like tofu and I like dark chocolate. So if you guys enjoy, eating healthy foods instead of some shit, I really recommend you cooking it. Maybe just add a little bit more honey. Honestly, it's kind of sad that Alex did not enjoy the brownie, but I genuinely loved it because it's healthy, it doesn't have sugar, isn't it nice? And it has a lot of protein because, tofu is super good. But anyways, everyone has different tastes, and It's still kind of sad. Anyways, this video is sponsored by GENUWII. They send me beautiful things. Some of them I have opened already. Some of them are right here. The trousers, the jeans. So thank you guys for sending me these beautiful pieces. Let's open them together and see what they have inside. Wow. This is like high quality jeans, guys. You can feel it's very thick and at the same time they're pretty light. And okay guys, I've never had white jeans and finally I'll have them in my wardrobe. Wow, I love the color. It's like, I think it's called elephant bone or sand. Just a tiny bit creamy but mostly white. And they also have sent me 2 t-shirts, 1 short and 1 blouse. So let's see how I'm gonna rock this style. Okay, so this is the first outfit. They sent me this beautiful flowy blouse. I really love it. And what I like the most about it is that you can style it as multiple times as you want. For example, here I have my belt and okay, now I know that we have made some plans for this evening and I might be actually wearing one of these styles, so yes. I feel like it's too classy to wear it in Barcelona. I honestly, guys, I love it so much. Let me know what you think about this first look, if you like it. There are like hundreds of ways I already have in my head how I can style it. And the jeans are like perfect height. They're like high-waisted, but it's still stretchy. For example, if you have a very fulfilling dinner tonight, I'll have some space and I'll still feel very comfortable in these. Okay guys, let me tell you something here straight away. So when I first seen the jeans, I was like, no way I would be able to wear them without some sort of a heel or a platform. Guys, I'm 162 tall, right? And it looks perfectly. It fits perfectly. I'm just wearing sneakers like Nike thing. So it's super basic and at the same time, you can feel the quality. It's very comfy and it looks amazing. For example, maybe tonight to the dinner, I'll just wear it because why not? So once again, thanks to GENUWII for sponsoring this part of the video. And if you guys want to shop beautiful, high quality casual pieces for every day, I would suggest you checking out their website. I'll put the link in the description box. And honestly, I'm in love. So I'm hugely recommended you to have this basis in your wardrobe with high quality, simple pieces that you can literally style in hundreds, maybe thousands of different ways.
Oh, hello, Papa.
So sweet like a lemonade. Took time making you the minute maid. We can do something new, let me innovate. We can take it slow like a iterate. So sweet like a lemonade. Took time making you the minute maid. We can do something new, let me innovate. Take it slow like a iterate. Thought I could run away. Your smile made me wanna stay. Come with me, we can make a way. Give me time, let me demonstrate. Want you over, want you closer. Let me love you like I'm supposed to. Any struggle, make it over. Just remember what I told you. So sweet like a lemonade. Took time making you the minute